Hey guys, well I've been crook in bed for 48 hours, got struck down with the bug and didn't move for 48 hours. I've made it down here now, Sunday night high tide down here, and there's a good 12-foot drop off down here, and gearbox on my car blew up on Friday, so I've had no luck since Friday. Gearbox blew up, crook as a dog for 2 days, and finally got enough steam to be able to get down here on the old Deadly Treadly, and she's made a mess of this edge here. Let me drop down here. Oh jeez, this went arse up majorly, but there we go. High tide was not that long ago. There's all the edge that's come down. The waves are still coming up. Jeez, she's really smashed up here. Nice one. Oh, here we go. Oh, don't want to get wet, but look how high these dunes are, man. It's just, there's nothing left. This is Ocean Beach, New South Wales, and there's just nothing left of this edge. She's gone, and the road's only 10 foot away. Awesome. Alright, I'll get some more photos. See you guys.